If you want to turn your plain white walls into a beautiful wood-like wall, you're going to want to check this out. This is stick-on wallpaper. The brand did send me this, so I can do this review for you. Really, really nice. This is about 17.3 inches across right here. And then you could get different lengths that you want, which is really, really nice. Back here, we have a nice little grid for you right here. So you can cut it to the size you want. You're going to want to measure this first. This is just a white wall. I'm just going to do this demonstration for you. I'm going to do this whole thing later. But basically what you do now is, now that you have it, you're going to peel this off. All right, so we got a little peel going here. I have like no nails. It actually is easy to peel. So what I would like to do here is you're going to want to grab it just like this off the peel. You're going to want to kind of start it a little bit. You don't want to take the whole thing off all at once. You kind of want to go a little bit at a time here, or it's going to stick. So you'll see here, this is where I got it going right now. So I have this part right here. So I'm going to put this as my starting position right here. And I'm going to get it even and lined up. And then I'm going to pull this paper down as I go down. So, and then smooth it with my hand. You can also do it with whatever you want. But you can see right here, you get a really nice looking wood. It looks exactly like wood, which is really nice. And then you just want to make sure you kind of smooth it out just like that. And then that's exactly what it looks like. It looks exactly like wood. And then if you wanted to take this off, you'll see here, it doesn't leave any marks whatsoever. So you put this up just like this. And then if you want, if it was really sticky, you get a blow dryer and do that. So if you're looking for some great wooden wallpaper look, definitely check this out.